Hello everyone and welcome to the Blue Water Club, and I hope you're as excited as I am because Carnival just opened up bookings for the brand new XL class ship, the Carnival Festivale. And this ship is going to bring family fun and the music theme atmosphere that just can't be beat. This is the fourth XL class ship and the sister ship to the Jubilee Mardi Gras and Celebration. And I'm super excited to give you the first behind the scenes look of what's new, what hasn't changed, and what you can expect with Carnival's fourth XL class ship, the brand new Carnival Festivale. So grab a drink and let's get waist deep here at the Blue Water Club. Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of the Blue Water Club, and this is going to be another one of those exciting episodes because we have a new ship to talk about. Carnival just opened up bookings on their fourth XL class ship, the Carnival Festivale, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what you're going to see in the Carnival Festivale when it comes out in spring 2027. From the new theme bars to the largest water park the Carnival's ever built, this ship is not going to disappoint. The Carnival Festivale's name goes all the way back to the 1970s, to the original Festivale, which was Carnival's second ever cruise ship. Now in 2027, the name returns bigger and better than ever. The Carnival Festivale is the fourth ship in the XL Class series. It will home port out of Port Canaveral, Florida, and debut in the spring of 2027. It's 184,000 gross tonnage, carries a passenger capacity of up to 6,630 guests with 1,735 team members, which makes this the largest cruise ship to date for Carnival Cruise Lines. While Carnival is catching up to Royal Caribbean when it comes to launching new mega ships, they're also following in Royal's footsteps by making their ships much more family friendly. And Carnival Festivale is just that, with a massive family fun zone with huge water slides, huge mini golf course, musical themed bars, and new places where you can enjoy some good family fun times. Because the facts are that families spend the most amount of money on cruises. Because the Carnival Festivale is the sister ship to the Mardi Gras, Jubilee, and Celebration, the layouts are strikingly similar. So if you've ever cruised on any of those ships before, you'll be right at home. What will be different is the theming, some of the bars, and a massive water park. That's right. The water park will be the biggest water park that Carnival has ever put on a cruise ship. And that means the boat roller coaster, although very cool and will be missed, it will not be on the Carnival Festivale. The center theme around this ship is music. Music will be prevalent in almost every zone of the ship. Not only just music, but lights that interact with the music and dance and flow with the music. This ship is designed with music in mind from the ground up. Now let's talk about what's new. And one of the main focuses of this new ship would be called Sunsation Point, Carnival's largest family zone ever created. Sunsation Point is a massive multi-deck family area that blends relaxation, sports, games, dining, and the largest water park Carnival has ever built. Carnival WaterWorks Ultra. This is the crown jewel of the ship, the biggest and most friendly water park that Carnival has ever created. It's included in your cruise fare, and it's packed with 6 water slides and large splash zones for all ages. Some of the water slides include 2 family raft rides, high-speed racing rides, smaller racing rides, fun twisty kid slides, big spiral splash slides, and one for babies and other small toddlers. Whether you want thrills or just want to watch your kids and have a blast or a drink, this is going to be the place that you're going to want to spend most of your day. There is one more amazing feature that Carnival is introducing with Carnival Festivale's WaterWorks Ultra, is that this water park will operate during the day and during the night. Currently, most Carnival water parks close at dusk, but not on Carnival Festivale. This water park is designed from the ground up with lights throughout the entire facility to make sure the party doesn't stop when the sun goes down. This allows for greater flexibility when planning your day, so you no longer have to plan your day around the water park operation hours. Can anyone say late night adult water park party? The water park is not the only thing this area offers. Carnival is also bringing a bunch of new attractions to this family fun zone as well, which includes the Fairway 66 mini golf course, which is a highway themed mini golf course with playful obstacles. We've seen plenty of these miniature golf courses on other ships in the past, but none of them are this large or this heavily themed, so I think this is a welcome change. This zone will also feature the traditional 2-track rope course, the sports court where you can play basketball, pickleball, and more, and the new Vault Retro Arcade. So we've always seen arcades on cruise ships in the past as well, but this is going to take a new twist where it's more retro, and I think that is just an amazing idea. This area will also offer casual eats such as Swirls and Shaq's Big Chicken. This area will feature a brand new bar called Sunsation Point, where the family can lounge, have a drink, and have the best view of a beautiful sunset. Another new thing that's coming along with the Carnival Festivale is the heavily inspired music theme. Music will be themed throughout every venue on the ship. It's going to take over every zone that you walk through. And one of the main zones on all these Carnival XL class ships is the promenade deck. As an example, on the Carnival Jubilee, this would be the underwater themed area. On the Carnival Festivale, this area is now called Studio 724, a 2-deck immersive multimedia venue with synchronized lighting, sound, live performances, and bars built right into the experience. This place is going to be an exciting area almost all day and all night. Music is going to be a constant in this area with synchronized lights that dance along with the music and are also somewhat interactive as well. I can't wait to see this place in action. I know it's going to be an amazingly themed area. There's also going to be 2 new bars in the promenade area. The first one is called The Spark. This is a creative, cozy bar for music lovers. The cocktails are named after iconic songs, and there's going to be live performances happening nightly. Another new bar just above the Spark, where you traditionally would find the Alchemy Bar on the other sister ships, is called Mix. It's basically what they consider a cocktail studio, where you can sip signature drinks like synth and hi-fi, or create your own flavored track list. Studio 724 will be one of the most amazing promenade areas that Carnival has ever created, and anyone that is a music lover is going to have the time of their life having a drink in these 2 bars. The new casino is promoted as Carnival's largest casino ever. So for all those gamblers out there, this is definitely going to be a cruise for you. Now let's talk about the Alchemy Bar. Yes, you were probably a little nervous when I said there was a new bar in place of the Alchemy Bar. Well, that's because the Alchemy Bar has been moved into a new, bigger venue. It's going to be the largest Alchemy Bar on any cruise ship. If you enjoy hanging out at the Alchemy Bar and drinking some of the signature cocktails that they cook up, this is going to be the best Alchemy Bar that Carnival has offered to date. Even though Carnival's adding a bunch of new cool things to this ship, it did not take away any of the things that we traditionally love. This ship will also feature all your traditional favorites like Guy's Burger, Shaq's Big Chicken, Seafood Shack, Swirls, and the list goes on and on. Other than the new locations and new themed bars that I spoke about, much of the rest of the ship is going to be extremely familiar if you've ever cruised on one of the sister ships. Center stage will be mostly unchanged, although themed quite differently. Piano bar, punchliner, comedy club, all the things that we enjoy on Carnival sister ships will all still be there and most likely be in a very similar layout. This is Carnival's largest and most exciting ship so far, all the way up until they release information about the new Ace class cruise ships, which I'm extremely excited to find out more about. All in all, this cruise ship is going to pack a punch when it comes to music and family fun that can't be beat. Combined with the fact that Carnival has one of the best offerings in terms of value and complimentary food, I believe this cruise ship is going to be a major hit. Now that I've talked about all the amazing things that's launching with the Carnival Festivale, let's talk about one thing that I wish Carnival would do a little better. Royal Caribbean, every time they launch a new ship, they always put a lot of effort into the entertainment. Many times they license out new shows like The Wizard of Oz or Back to the Future. Currently, Carnival Festivale only lists entertainment as a variety of shows, which is par for the course from the last few releases of their cruise ships. I do wish that Carnival would put a little more effort into their shows and come out with new exciting attractions like Royal Caribbean does with their high dive show or their ice skating show. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the Carnival Festival so far, because there's definitely a lot of details that Carnival hasn't shared with us, so I think Carnival is keeping a few secrets in their back pocket that will surprise us as time moves forward. You can now book cruises on this ship. The cruise bookings are open. So let me know in the comments below if you are going to book a cruise on this ship or if you've already got one booked on this ship. And before you go to the next video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because we're going to be dropping so many more new videos about all the new cruise ships that were coming out in the near future. And don't forget a merchandise store where you can buy official Blue Water Club shirts and cruise accessories. Right below, you can see the store just underneath this video. Grab a drink and let's get waist deep here at the Blue Water Club.